Thanks for watching, guys. Here's some more videos that are going to pop up that you can click on. Also, there will be a link up in the right corner there to click on for Go Serve Global. Check out their page and what they've been doing in Haiti. And please take the time to get involved.
That I kid Eddie about, that it really messed up my life, meeting those girls and really feeling a call to do more to help with his vision. That's gradually grown to where we have 71 girls at the Constellation Center today. We have 54 boys at the Joshua House, and I believe we have 18 babies at James 127. Center of Help, I believe there's 31 kids there. So there's a lot of kids that we have a direct impact with. We have 400 kids that come to school here every day, and so it just keeps expanding. Bob Pierce, back when World Vision was started, made the statement, "Let my heart be broken by the things that break the heart of God." And that's my prayer, that will continue to see kids that are the same age as my grandkids, that have nothing, to walk away from them. I just can't do, because it's not about us, it's about saving lives, and that's a pretty cool thing to be able to do that. And I just encourage people to catch that vision, to live beyond themselves and do something that'll change lives.